Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing foreigners protesting in Thailand. I've discussed this a little bit in the past. I've actually been on YouTube discussing this with other people in the past. Yeah, foreigners protesting in Thailand. Generally speaking, let's just preface this by saying if you're a foreigner in Thailand, you feel the need to protest, my first question to you would be why, if this isn't your country? And secondly, my best advice is to warn you off of doing that for a variety of different reasons, which I'll get into here in a moment. But I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from ASEAN Now, ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, "German Claims He Was Warned Off by Police from Pursuing His Political Protests Against Acting PM." Quoting directly, "A German man living in Thailand with a Thai wife staged numerous silent protests this week in Rayong, but was warned off by police officers on Thursday who visited his home. His case is similar to that of Frenchman Jan-Eric Marchal, who hit the headlines in 2019 with a viral video targeting Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha. Mr. Marchal, despite similar cautions and promises to discontinue his activities, remained controversial with numerous online incidents and outbursts against the government and higher authorities. He was ultimately deported and blacklisted from Thailand." Yeah. The big reason to really seriously ponder protesting in Thailand as a foreigner is blacklisting and deportation, because at the end of the day, national security is one of the prongs, one of the things that can be used as a reason for not only canceling a visa, but deporting someone and placing them on a blacklist for a specified period of time or for basically a lifetime. So now, with respect to protesting generally, I don't want to get too far into that. I do believe people have a right to protest in a general sense. But I gotta say, as a Thai, a naturalized Thai, but a Thai nonetheless, I do kind of have to ask, like, it almost kind of begs the question, I mean, why? If this isn't, if you're not from Thailand, in a sense, and I'm probably going to get burned for this, I take it the way I mean it, what's it really got to do with you? And I think that that's the way most Thais look at it in the context of foreigners. I'm not getting into protesting in Thailand sort of in a general sense. That's definitely a topic that's big and it's got a lot of nuance attached to it. But just with respect to foreigners in Thailand protesting, I guess my question is, why? It's really not, I just view it as something that's just not in your bailiwick.